Let's see about getting this clutch side cover assembled. We have a new seal, a new bearing, a new kickstart seal, and here's some more parts. Oh, I gotta get rid of that old bearing. That's interesting. This is the bearing that came out, and you can see it's not sealed on either side. This new bearing is sealed on this side. They do have the same number on them, this Koyo something 300. 6300 on that one? This one they put the lettering on the plastic part in here, or whatever that material is, and this is a 6300 TT. I had to move this part over to the machine shop portion of Ken's garage where we have the hydraulic press. I have this thing sitting up off of the surface, so when I use that hydraulic press, I'll be pressing down on the wood down here. See where it says water side? That's going to go down. I put a little oil on the outer part of that seal. This is the best fitting socket that I have. So, oh. I don't like it. I'm going to see if I have a washer that fits it better. I did find a washer that is just about perfect for this. This is the old seal. It's a nice thick washer. Right now I have that washer and I have the old seal in there. And it's pressing right in. But I need to stop to make sure I don't push this seal in. I think that thing's all the way in. I can see that it's bottomed out in there. That's good. I just measured the depth where this bearing sits at 9.22 millimeters. The bearing itself is 11 millimeters. So this bearing should end up about, what did I get? 1.78 millimeters above this surface. I did that because I seem to remember doing this in the past, and you get this bearing installed and you want to keep pressing and pressing, but it's not going to sit flush with this surface. It's going to sit a little bit proud. Now the water pump bearing. This plastic cover on this thing is going to go toward the water pump. I put a little oil on the OD of this thing. Let's see if I can get this thing a little bit started. Quite a bit started. The hydraulic press gets put to work again. Here we go. .67, so it was supposed to measure 1.78 or something. It's definitely in there. I put a light coating of grease on the impeller shaft. I've already put it in there once. Per the manual, put it in whilst spinning. Install the pin, the gear, the washer, and a clip. Looks good. A new water pump gasket. This cover comes with its own gasket, but I like this Yamaha one. They put this sealant on here on both sides. It gets a little more foolproof. These screws have anti-seize compound on them. They're stainless steel going into aluminum. Those are all snugged up, and here's the drain plug with the copper washer on it. A new kickstart seal. We have a new oil pump seal and gasket. This oil pump seal goes in this way. This thingamajig spacer I think I'm going to take this to the hydraulic press. That's better. I just pulled this shaft out of the pump to make sure that this little washer is on the end of the shaft here. Put it back in now. I've oiled this shaft. Blue Loctite on the screws. Install the pin, the gear, and a clip. Let's finish this up with a dipstick.